Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the tools and making the job safe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so the system resets. Once done, open the driver door and carefully pry off the interior sail trim at the mirror triangle. Use a cloth to avoid scratching the paint. You will see 3 mounting bolts and the mirror wiring connector. This is where you begin. Make sure to support the mirror with one hand before removing any fasteners so it doesn't fall. You now remove the mirror assembly itself. Hold the mirror steady, remove the 3 bolts with a 10 mm socket, and lower the unit gently away from the door. Once free, locate the electrical connector behind the sail trim, press the release tab and pull the plug straight out. You want to avoid bending pins. Take the old gasket or weather foam off and inspect the studs and wiring for corrosion. If anything looks damaged, clean it or replace it before fitting the new mirror. You fit the new mirror by aligning studs, hand-threading each bolt, and then tightening them evenly to avoid stress. Don't over-torque. Before fully tightening, reconnect the electrical connector so you can test movement and heating functions. Once confirmed, torque the bolts, snap the sail trim back in place, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, test all mirror functions and the mirror's fit. If the mirror won't move, check the connector seating, look for a blown fuse, and verify the motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.